Hello, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. Today, I'm going to be playing Antakshari with myself. This idea actually came from a friend of mine, Sharda Godbole. So, Sharda, thank you. This was a great idea. I had a lot of fun playing Antakshari with myself. For those of you who are not familiar with this game, it's a musical game where you generally have like teams, or you need more than one person technically. So one team starts off the whole game with a song, and generally you sing just the chorus part of things, and the last letter of the last word of the chorus is the letter that the second team has to start their song with. So they've got to pick a song that starts with that particular sound. You'll see as the whole episode progresses. So to begin with, I've picked a very fun Kishore Kumar solo from the movie Mere Jeevan Sathi. This was Rajesh Khanna, Tanuja in the lead. It was one of Rajesh Khanna's hits, when he had the series of 17 continuous hit movies. So this was one of them. Great movie. Entertaining, thrillerish kind of a movie. Helen playing this amazing villain. And everyone's acted, Rajesh Khanna is Rajesh Khanna. Tanuja is very cute, as always. Music, beautiful. R.D. Burman with Anand Bakshi's lyrics. So this song is like a driving song. He is driving his convertible, so dashing, coming down a mountain and going up a mountain and all kinds of things. And he's singing this song. Rumor has it that this song haunted Panchamda in his dreams. Who knows? We're just assuming it is true. Sounds fun, huh? So, starting off the Antakshari with From Mere Jeevan Sathi, चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन पर.
चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए. चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए. मिलन की मस्ती भरी आंखों में, हजारों सपने सुहाने लिए हो. चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए. ये मस्ती के नजारे हैं तो ऐसे में संभलना कैसा, मेरी कसम जो लहराती डगरिया हो. तो फिर क्यों ना चलूं मैं बहका बहका रे, मेरे जीवन में ये शाम आई है मोहब्बत वाले जमाने लिए हो. चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए.
Okay, so that song ended, चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए. So ended with the year sound. So now I have to start the next song with the sound year. I've picked one from the movie Mere Mehboob. It had Rajendra Kumar Sadhana ji in the lead. Very entertaining movie. Muslim Social, it was called. And the music was Naushad Sabit Shakil Saab writing the lyrics. Beautiful music in the movie. This particular duet, it's a sad duet, but very, very pretty, sung by Lata ji and Rafi Saab. So, you've got to keep tabs. From Mere Mehboob, याद में तेरी जाग जाग के हम रात भर करवटे बदलते हैं.
याद में तेरी जाग जाग के हम रात भर करवटें बदलते हैं. हर घड़ी दिल में तेरी उल्फत के धीमे धीमे चराग जलते मिट गई हमसे प्यार की मंजिल, जिंदगी की उदास राहों में तेरी यादों के साथ चलते हैं, याद में तेरी जाग जाग के हम रात भर करवटें बदलते।
Okay, so the last thing ended with badalte hain. It's a h sound with a nasal twang, but I'm only taking it as a h sound. So I've picked a rather, I want to say, neglected song from the movie Daag. Rajesh Khanna, Sharmila Tagore, Rakhi in the lead. The movie was an uber hit again, and the music was actually very pretty. There's some really beautiful songs in the movie. And somehow I feel that this particular song is always overlooked when it comes to being played on the radio, or at least in my time, it used to be overlooked. It's, like I said, Lataji's solo. Music was by Lakshmikant Pyarelal, and it had Sahil Ludhianvi writing the lyrics. Very beautiful lyrics. It's a prayer kind of a song where, you know, she's singing and saying there are a lot of unexplained things in the world which can only be explained by God. So from Daag, Hawa Chale Kaise. So we had Hawa Chale Kaise, Na Main Janu Na Tu Jane, Jane Wohi Jane. So it ends with a N. So for the next song, I'm picking a very playful Asha Ji solo this time from the movie Mujhe Jeene Do. It was a dacoit reform movie starring Sunil Dutt, Wahida Rahman in the lead. Brilliant movie, absolutely brilliant music. Jaydev Saab with Sahir Saab. What a combination, incredible. And the song is just so sweet. It's very playful. She's sort of pleading with him, asking him not to go. And, you know, Wahida ji, oh, she is so expressive. It's just a beautiful scene. So from Mujhe Jeene Do, Nadi Nare Na Jao Sham Paiyan Padu.
Nadi Nare Na Jao Sham Paiyan Padu. Nadi Nare Na Jao Sham Paiyan Padu. Paiyan Padu, Sham Paiyan Padu. Paiyan Padu, Sham Paiyan Padu. Nadi Nare Na Jao Sham Paiyan Padu. नदी नारे जो जाओ तो जब करो नदी नारे जो जाओ तो नदी नारे हाय नदी नारे शाम नदी नारे जो तो जय करो जय करो जय करो बीच धारे ना बीच धारे न जाओ शाम पैया परूं बीच धारे न जाओ शाम पैया परूं बीच धारे न जाओ शाम पैया परूं तोरे पैया परूं बीच धारे न जाओ शाम पैया परूं बीच धारे जो जाओ बीच धारे जो जाओ तो जय भी करो शाम जय भी करो बीच धारे जो जाओ तो जय भी करो उस पारे न जाओ शाम पैया परूं उस पारे न जाओ शाम पैया परूं उस पारे न जाओ शाम पैया परूं तोरे पैया परूं उस पारे न जाओ शाम पैया परूं
I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm also trying to do something here that doesn't normally happen in an Antakshari game, where, you just pick, it's all sort of time bound, so you just pick a song that pops into your head, which begins with whatever letter you're given with. But here, I'm trying deliberately to find, one, unusual songs, and two, make sure that the mukhra of these songs ends in a letter that hasn't come before. So I kind of place this challenge to myself. So for my next song, the letter D now, it's a song from the movie Chaliya. This is supposed to have been very loosely based on Dostoevsky's White Nights. Raj Kapoor as Chaliya. Nutanji and Rahman Saab are actually paired opposite each other. It dealt with the theme of partition and the separation of families. The music was by Kalyanji Anandji and had Qamar Jalalabadi writing all the lyrics. Lakshmikant Pyarelal, interestingly, were the assistants for this movie. The song from Chaliya, Dum Dum Diga Diga, Mausam Bhiga Bhiga, Bin Piye Main To Gira, Main To Gira, Main To Gira, Hai Allah, Surat Aapki Subhan Allah.
डम डम डिगा डिगा मौसम भिगा भिगा डम डम डिगा डिगा मौसम भिगा भिगा बिन पिए मैं तो गिरा मैं तो गिरा मैं तो गिरा हाय अल्लाह सूरत आपकी सुभान अल्लाह हाय अल्लाह सूरत आपकी सुभान अल्लाह डम डम डिगा डिगा मौसम भिगा भिगा बिन पिए मैं तो गिरा मैं तो गिरा मैं तो गिरा हाय अल्लाह सूरत आपकी सुभान अल्लाह हाय अल्लाह सूरत आपकी सुभान अल्लाह तेरी अदा वाह वाह क्या बात है तेरी अदा अरे तेरी अदा वाह वाह क्या बात है अखियां झुकी झुकी बातें रुकी रुकी अखियां झुकी झुकी बातें रुकी रुकी देखो कोई रे आज लुट गया हाय अल्लाह सूरत आपकी सुभान अल्लाह हाय अल्लाह सूरत आपकी सुभान अल्लाह। डम डम डिगा डिगा मौसम भीगा भीगा, बिन पिए मैं तो गिरा, मैं तो गिरा, मैं तो गिरा। हाय अल्लाह सूरत आपकी सुभान अल्लाह, हाय अल्लाह सूरत आपकी सुभान अल्लाह।
Okay, so that movie actually ended on the word Allah. So it should be a h, but for our purposes today, I'm going to count it as a l sound. So the next song will be from a movie called Kismat. Babita Biswajit in the main role. It was a very strange movie, but it was an uber hit. Go figure. The music was really beautiful. O.P. Nair, S.H. Bihari writing the lyrics, except for the one song, the Asha Ji solo, Aao Huzur Tumko, which was written by Noor Devasi. So this song is a Mahendra Kapoor solo, picturized on Biswajit singing in a nightclub or a hotel, I think. I'm not quite sure what that place is supposed to be. Oh my God, watching him play the guitar is a treat. I would say watch this song just for that. So funny. Anyway, the song is very, very charming. From Kismat, लाखों है यहाँ दिल वाले, पर प्यार नहीं मिलता.
लाखों है यहाँ दिल वाले, और प्यार नहीं मिलता. आँखों में किसी की वफा का इकरार नहीं मिलता. लाखों है यहाँ दिल वाले, और प्यार नहीं मिलता. आँखों में किसी की वफा का इकरार नहीं मिलता. देखा हर दिल में समा कर देखा, हर साज पे गा कर देखा. महफिल महफिल जा देखा, हर दिल में समा कर देखा, हर साज पे गा कर देखा. दिल को कहीं चैन न मिला, अरे दिल को कहीं चैन न मिला. मैं तो दुनिया में प्यारे अकेला ही रहा. लाखों हैं यहाँ दिल वाले, और प्यार नहीं मिलता. आँखों में किसी की वफा का इकरार नहीं मिलता.
Okay, so we ended up with प्यार नहीं मिलता, आंखों में किसी की वफा का इकरार नहीं मिलता. So third, प्यार का मौसम. This was an R.D. Majrooh Saab musical combination. Great, entertaining movie. We had Shashi Kapoor and Asha Parekh in the lead, and a very young, a baby, Amir Khan, playing Shashi Kapoor as a toddler in the movie. It's just adorable. Music was lovely. It was really lovely. All the songs were hits. All the songs were very, very hummable and singable. So this particular song is actually a tandem song of sorts. It's not sung by two, like not by a male and female tandem song. It's a two male kind of solos. The one sung by the father has been sung by Kishore Kumar, and the one sung by a very young Shashi Kapoor has been sung by Rafi Saab. So, from Pyar Ka Mausam, Tum bin jaun kahan.
तुम बिन जाऊं कहाँ, तुम बिन जाऊं कहाँ, के दुनिया में आके कुछ न फिर चाह सनम तुमको चाह के, तुम बिन जाऊं कहाँ के दुनिया में आके, कुछ न फिर चाह सनम तुमको चाह के, तुम बिन। देखो मुझे सर से कदम तक सिर्फ प्यार हूँ मैं, गले से लगा लो के तुम्हारा बेकरार हूँ मैं, तुम क्या जानो के भटकता फिरा किस किस गली, तुमको चाह के, तुम बिन जाऊं कहाँ के दुनिया में आके, कुछ न फिर चाह सनम तुमको चाह के, तुम बिन।
So, तुम बिन जाऊं कहाँ ये दुनिया में आके, कुछ न फिर चाह सनम तुमको चाह के. So we end with K now. And I'm taking you to the 80s, to Swami. This was a movie that was based on Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay's short story. It had Utpal Dutt in it in a very significant role, but the main leads were Girish Karnad, Vikram, and Shabana Azmi. The movie was actually made by Hema Malini's mother. She produced the movie. Music, Rajesh Roshan, with Amit Khanna writing the lyrics. There is a very, very beautiful Yesudas solo picturized on Dheeraj Kumar in the movie. He is the younger, like half-brother of Girish Karnad, and he's singing this on the wedding night of Girish Karnad and Shabana Azmi. He has done a very good job acting, but Yesudas has sung this song incredibly beautifully. So from Swami, Ka Karu Sajni.
का करूं सजनी, आए न बालम, का करूं सजनी, आए न बालम, होवे मनवा मोरा भागे, देखो कहीं टूटे नहीं प्रेम के ये धागे, है मतवारी प्रीत हमारी छुपे ना छुपाए, छुपे ना छुपाए, सावन हो तुम मैं हूँ तोरी बदरिया, आए न बालम
Okay. Kakaru Sajani Ayana Balam. So ends in a ma. So now I'm taking you back to the late 50s to a movie called Ragini. It had Padmini, Kishore Kumar, and Ashok Kumar in the lead. The story was, I don't know, it wasn't executed well. It could have been, I think, handled better, but it's okay. The music for the movie was O.P. Nair with Janisar Akhtar writing the lyrics. And this song it's a solo by Rafi Saab. It is all the more special in my mind because Rafi Saab has sung playback for Kishore Kumar in the movie. It's very cool. Lovely, lovely, soft, sweet song, and Kishore Kumar has emoted so well. So from Ragini, Man Mora Bavra.
मन मोरा बावरा मन मोरा बावरा निस दिन गाए गीत मिलन के निस दिन गाए गीत मिलन के मन मोरा बावरा मन मोरा बावरा आशाओं के दीप जला के आशाओं के दीप जला के बैठी कब से आस लगा के बैठी कब से आस लगा के आया प्रीतम प्यारा मन मोरा बावरा मन मोरा बावरा निस दिन गाए गीत मिलन के निस दिन गाए गीत मिलन के मन मोरा बावरा मन मोरा बावरा मन मंदिर में श्याम विराजे मन मंदिर में श्याम विराजे चुन चुन मोरी पायल बाजे चुन चुन मोरी पायल बाजे कैसा जादू धारा मन मोरा बावरा मन मोरा बावरा.
Okay, so Manamora Bavra Nisdin Gaye Geet Milan ke Manamora Bavra. So it ends in a R. And I'm ending this episode now with this last song from the movie Dil Ek Mandir. It starred Rajendra Kumar, Meena Kumari, Rajkumar in the lead. It was a remake of a Tamil movie called Nenjil Oru Alayam. The movie was highly melodramatic, kind of weepy, and yet I enjoyed the movie. There was something about it that, I don't know, appealed. It was an uber hit. Music was superb. Shankar Jaikishan, Hasrat Jaipuri, Shailendra ji. This particular song that I'm going to end with today, starting with the sound R, is a Lataji solo written by Shailendra ji. It is absolutely exquisite. Another of those amazing Lataji gems that we have in the industry. So, for the last song from Dil Ek Mandir, Ruk Ja Raat Theher Ja Re Chanda.
रुक जा रात ठहर जा रे चंदा बीते न मिलन की बेला आज चांदनी की नगरी में अरमानों का मेला रुक जा रात ठहर जा रे चंदा बीते न मिलन की बेला आज चांदनी की नगरी में चंदा बीते न मिलन की बेला आज चांदनी की नगरी में अरमानों का मेला रुक जा रात ठहर जा चंदा.
That's it, folks, for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed planning it and executing it. For those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. And for those of you who've not, please go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel and spread the word among your family and friends. I will be back in 2 weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.